Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Infinix Zero 8i versus the Vivo Y51. And the Vivo Y51 give you a Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4 GB of RAM, while the new Infinix Zero 8i give you a monster MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with the 8 GB of RAM as well. And guys, both phones give you a quad cameras on the back, as you can see, and the camera bump it is a lot bigger on the Infinix Zero 8i, and both phones give you a diamond style back camera, and you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. And now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see at the logo it is a little bit faster on the Infinix Zero 8i versus the Vivo Y51. Very excited to see the difference between these two devices. And we have XOS, and you can see, and the Infinix Zero 8i it is very faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo Y51 is take a lot of time. And you can see it's take a lot of time. And now the Vivo Y51 it is also done, and you can see about 8 or 9 second difference there. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very different display. We have a full HD IPS S3 display on the Infinix Zero 8i with a dual front facing camera inside this punch hole with a 90Hz refresh rate. Yes, this phone give you a 90Hz refresh rate, which looks more futuristic, while the Vivo Y51 give you a full HD Super AMOLED display. And also we have a single front facing camera inside this notch, which feels outdated compared to the punch hole. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go, and you can see that is more faster on the Infinix Zero 8i. So now let's check out settings, and again faster on the Infinix Zero 8i, and you can see. So now let's check out some more application. We got YouTube on both phones. And again, Infinix Zero 8i it is faster there, while the Vivo Y51 it is also done, and the scrolling it is feels much smoother on the Infinix Zero 8i. So now let's check out some more application. We got Amazon Shopping, and you can see that Infinix Zero 8i it is way faster there, while the Vivo Y51 now it is also done. Now let's check out the scrolling, and feels absolutely much smoother on the Infinix Zero 8i. And now let's see some games application. And now let's see the Candy Crush Saga and some games application. And you can see that Infinix Zero 8i it is way faster there, while the Vivo Y51 is right behind there, about 1 second difference there. Now let's check out Subway Surfer, and that is again faster on the Infinix Zero 8i, and you can see. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and you can see at the touch it is also more responsive on the Infinix Zero 8i, and you can see that Vivo Y51 is take a lot of time, and Infinix Zero 8i it is completely done, while the Vivo Y51 now it is also done. So now let's opening up the Twitter, and faster on the Infinix Zero 8i. So now let's see Spotify, faster on the Infinix Zero 8i. So now let's check out the Snapchat, faster on the Infinix Zero 8i, and you can see Zedge, and that is way faster on the Infinix Zero 8i. As you can see, let's see the scrolling, and feels much smoother on the Infinix Zero 8i thanks to a 90Hz refresh rate display. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and you can see, and again Infinix Zero 8i it is a lot faster there, while the Vivo V51 it is very slow. And you can see, let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm seeing default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo Y51 compared to a Google Chrome on the Infinix Zero 8i. We got wikipedia.org first website, and definitely about the same on both phones. Let's see the scrolling, and in the start I noticed some lags, but the scrolling wise Infinix Zero 8 it is feels much smoother than the Vivo Y51. So next on the list is the WWE.com. It is a heavy website, and let's see this time who is faster there. And again Infinix Zero 8i it is faster there, and the Vivo Y51. Now it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there. Let's see the scrolling on both phones, and again feels much smoother on the Infinix 08i. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and guys, we have 8 GB of RAM on the Infinix 08i compared to a 4 GB on the Vivo Y51. So very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM measurement. Now let's start off with the phone dialer, that is refresh on the Vivo Y51. Let's see settings, and that is refresh on both phones. As you can see YouTube, refresh on the Vivo Y51, and you can see Amazon shopping, and that is definitely refresh on both phones. We need some more optimization in the software on the Infinix 08i. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Let's see Subway Surfer. You can see, and the 4 GB and the 8 GB is perform about the same, I would say, in the RAM management. Let's see Temper Run 2, that is refresh again. Now let's check out the Twitter, and that is not refresh on both phones. Let's see Spotify, that is little bit refresh. Let's see the Snapchat, that is refresh. Zedge, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, what I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely way faster on the Infinix 08i thanks to a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset, while the Vivo Y51, it is also right behind to the Infinix 08i. And the RAM measurement, it is little bit better on the Vivo Y51 compared to the Infinix 08i. I hope the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates on the Infinix 08i. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Infinix 08i versus the Vivo Y51. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.